Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the mountains and the sea, lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was known for her exceptional cooking skills, but her most famous dish was her sweet porridge. One day, Maya woke up early, filled with excitement. She had a special request from the village elder to prepare the sweet porridge for a gathering. As she gathered the ingredients, she felt a sense of anticipation. She carefully measured the rice, added the right amount of sugar, and stirred in a hint of cinnamon. As she stirred, she couldn't help but wonder, will this porridge be as magical as always? She carried the pot to the fire, where it sat, bubbling away. The aroma filled the air, and villagers began to gather, their eyes sparkling with curiosity. Maya served the porridge, and the villagers took their first bites. The porridge was heavenly. The villagers were amazed at the perfect blend of sweetness and spice. They couldn't help but ask, "How does she do it, Maya? Your porridge is always so special." Maya, with a knowing smile, replied, "It's not just about the ingredients, but the love I put into each pot. Each grain of rice, each sprinkle of sugar, each twist of cinnamon, they all carry a piece of my heart." The villagers looked at each other, understanding the secret behind the magical porridge. They realized that love, like the cinnamon, adds a special flavor to everything we do. From that day forward, Maya's sweet porridge became a symbol of love and care in their village. And Maya, with her magical porridge pot, continued to spread joy and warmth to all who tasted it. So remember, whenever you're faced with a task, pour a little love into it, just like Maya did with her porridge. You never know, it might just become magical.